Dollar Shave Club launched in 2012, and within 48 hours of its viral YouTube video uploading, the company had more than 12,000 orders. Its website crashed from the volume of traffic, and the brand quickly became a household name. The company's growth was not driven by traditional advertising budgets, but by data-informed marketing, viral content, and subscription model optimization. This is exactly the type of strategy growth marketing managers study and execute today. Ever wonder why some brands seem to grow like wildfire while others barely get noticed? That's because of data. Growth marketing managers are the ones turning numbers into decisions that fuel growth. Can you imagine being the person who can tell a company exactly where to invest its marketing dollars for the biggest impact? You could do just that as a growth marketing manager, a role that blends analytics, strategy, and creativity to drive results. And your mission is simple in theory. Figure out what works, double down on it, and cut what doesn't. But in practice, it's a mix of detective work, experimentation, and storytelling. Every day, you would track campaigns across multiple channels, including social media, email, paid search, and content marketing. You'll keep your eye on key metrics, click-through rates, conversions, customer acquisition costs, lifetime value, and engagement metrics. You're watching them like a hawk. The goal is to spot trends, test hypotheses, and optimize performance. Every decision is data-driven and executed with creativity. Think about a social media campaign for a new product launch. It's not just about picking a cool image or writing a witty caption. As a growth marketing manager, you might run 5 variations of a video ad. Tracking which audiences respond best and tweaking messaging in real time keeps you in motion. Analyzing which age groups engage more or which platforms deliver the best conversions helps add a few more pieces to the puzzle. One insight could mean reallocating ad spend from one channel to another and instantly improving ROI. Consider a subscription-based company that noticed its email campaigns weren't converting as expected. The growth marketing manager analyzed engagement data and discovered that certain subject lines performed better with mobile users while desktop users responded to different content. After segmenting the audience and personalizing messages, the company increased conversions by 28% in a single month. Although this is a hypothetical situation, it illustrates the very real power of turning data into decisions. It's a power you will wield in this position. What does a typical day look like? You'll probably start your day reviewing dashboards from tools like Google Analytics, HubSpot, or Mixpanel to see how campaigns performed overnight. By midday, you may be running A/B tests on landing pages or email copy, collaborating with designers and copywriters to refine messaging. Later, there could be meetings with stakeholders to report performance and recommend budget shifts for maximum ROI. Afternoons often include customer journey analysis. This is where you start figuring out where people are dropping off, what nudges bring them back, and which incentives drive loyalty. Every day will be a new opportunity to solve problems, strategize, and put your insight to work. Now about the skills. To thrive in this role, you need strong data analytics abilities. Comfort with Excel, SQL, Google Analytics, and tools like Tableau or Looker is essential. Familiarity with Python or R for deeper analysis is a plus. You also need to understand customer funnels, segmentation, and KPIs like CAC, LTV, and ROI. And of course, communication is crucial. After all, your insights are useless if you can't explain them to your team, leadership, or stakeholders in a clear, actionable way. Breaking into the field often starts with digital marketing, marketing analytics, or product marketing roles. Hands-on experience with campaigns, testing, and data analysis is crucial. Certifications and analytics, A/B testing, or marketing automation can boost your credentials and give your resume a little extra heft. Networking, attending workshops, and contributing to case studies or marketing communities can open doors. The career path is versatile. Many growth marketing managers advance to senior roles, leading teams and strategy across channels. Others move into product marketing, analytics strategy, or even run growth for startups. This combination of technical skill, strategy, and creativity makes this role highly transferable across industries. Others move to product marketing, analytics, strategy, or even run growth for startups. And here's the exciting part. The future is being shaped by AI. Predictive analytics now anticipate which customers are likely to convert before campaigns even launch. AI can personalize messaging, optimize ad bids automatically, and even recommend creative tweaks for email or social posts. Imagine a campaign where machine learning predicts which headline will perform best for each segment, and the system automatically tests, adapts, and reallocates spend in real time. Growth marketing managers who harness AI while understanding human behavior will be in high demand. Companies want professionals who can combine analytical rigor with strategic thinking and creative storytelling. The ability to interpret insights, make decisions, and execute campaigns that generate measurable growth is more valuable than ever. The impact of a growth marketing manager is tangible. Every experiment, optimization, and insight can increase conversions, deepen customer engagement, and drive revenue growth. The role blends curiosity, analysis, and creativity. Your decisions can deliver almost immediate results and shape the trajectory of a business. So if you're someone who loves working with data, testing ideas, and seeing your work directly affect business outcomes, this could be your next career move. You'll shape strategies, guide creative teams, and drive growth every day. The world of growth marketing is fast, data-driven, and endlessly creative. With AI and analytics transforming the field, the demand for professionals who can turn numbers into decisions and decisions into growth has never been greater. Start experimenting. Start learning and building skills by checking out the resources linked in the description. And you could be the next growth driver companies are looking for.